Algebraic equations, combining like terms and using the distributive property. This is a digital lesson, and this one is St. Patrick's Day themed. So the lesson starts with explaining to the students that these types of problems are not difficult to solve. Before we can begin to solve, we need to simplify first by combining any terms that are on the like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign and distributing any terms outside the parentheses. So we're going to start with just combining like terms. So you can see in green here we have 2x and 7x. They are like terms and they're on the same side of the equal sign. So we can combine them to get 9x. Now we just have a one-step equation to solve. Here again we have like terms on the same side of the equal sign. If we combine them to get negative 2y, then we can go ahead and solve for y. So students are going to start on slide 4. They're just going to be typing in the text boxes to show combining these like terms. And then they're going to go ahead and solve the equations. They get a little bit more practice doing this, just combining like terms. And then they're shown what to do if they have a distributive property problem here. We have a number 2 outside the parentheses, so we need to first distribute it to every term in the parentheses. So here 2 times 4x, we get 8x, and 2 times 3, we get 6. And now we just have a two-step equation to solve. So they're going to be doing this on the next couple slides. Here distributing the 8 and solving for the variable. Here we're distributing the 7 and then solving for the variable. Now on these last two slides, they've got both combining like terms and the distributive property. So we want to distribute first before we combine like terms. So they're going to distribute this negative 3, then combine like terms, and then go ahead and solve the equation. Same thing on the next slide. Now when we get down to slide 12, there's a St. Patrick's Day riddle. And they're going to solve it by going back through the previous slides and finding these solutions. When they find them, they're going to type in the variable, whatever that letter was that equaled 8 or equal 11, they're going to type it in. And if they've done it correctly, they will solve the St. Patrick's Day riddle. So that is the St. Patrick's Day version of algebraic equations, combining like terms, and the distributive property.